Emily. Here.
Yay! You're a big girl. Yeah.
Why is it blurry?
Do it again, Chill.
Let me have it. I got it. Here. Do you want some more? Look.
She can't dip it in the bowl herself, can she? Good job, Emily.
She just wants to chew on it, okay? But hey, if it works,
Yeah.
be patient. Let's get some more. Let's get some more. Get some more.
That's a good idea.
Good girl. Get the rest of it.
Only 1 year old. That's pretty smart, isn't it?
Good coordination.
Yeah, she ain't like Daddy. Emily, how old are you? How old are you?
Hey, cut that out. Let me give you some more.
What made you think to do that?
Her sitter yesterday said that she was trying to feed herself.
Oh.